Hello, Marco Spadafora here from Lotta Drumming. I have something really cool to show you today. Linear fills, easy as 3, 4, 5. Wondering what that's all about? Stick around and you'll find out. We're going to take the numbers 3, 4, and 5. And we're going to use those numbers to create linear fills. I actually got this idea from one of Gary Chaffee's books I studied way back. Here's how this works. Every time we're dealing with the number 3, you're going to be playing right, left, bass. Okay? Every time we're dealing with the number 4, we're going to be doing this. Right, left, bass, bass. And when we're dealing with number 5, we're going to be doing right, left, bass. Those are the 3 phrases we're going to use. Now, here's what we're going to do with those 3 phrases. We're going to randomly select those numbers from a hat, okay, kind of like a lottery style. And we're going to create different combinations. When we create these linear fills, we are dealing with 16th notes. We're going to use them as 16th notes. And in one bar, there are 16 16th notes. So that's the magic number, is 16. We're going to be drawing these numbers until we filled up all 16 16th notes in the bar, and that will become our fill. All right, so I have my hat. I have the numbers in here. I'm going to randomly select some numbers until we fill up the whole bar, which is 16. So the first number is 3. The next number is another 3. Now, 3 and 3 equals 6. Okay, so we have 10 more to fill up. Let's see what happens here. We have the number 4. Okay, so 3, 3, and 4, that would be 6 and 4. That's 10, right? That's 10. Okay, let's try one more. And what do we have? We have another 3. Okay, so 3, 3, 4, 3. What does that equal? 10. That's 13. Okay. Now we have 3 remaining. So if we select a 4 or a 5, it's not going to work. So by default, we're going to have to select another 3 because there's only 3 remaining. Okay? So we have 3, 3, 4, 3, 3. What does that sound like? Okay, let's find out. 3, 3, 4, 3, 3. 3, 3, 4, 3, 3. Now let's squeeze them together and just play them one after the other as 16th notes. So if we're going to be doing 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and there's your 1 bar. Let's try it again. Now let's repeat that. That sounds pretty cool. If I play that in the drum beat position, what do we have? Let's try it a little bit faster. Wow, that sounds pretty cool. So let's try now 1 bar time, 1 bar fill. Oh, I messed that one up. Let's try that again. There you go. There's a fill using the numbers, in this case, just 3 and 4. Let's try another one. And let's hope that we get some 5s coming out, okay? I'm going to put these numbers back in the hat. Okay, so let's try our second linear fill. Here, what do we have here? 3, of course. 5. All right, we got a 5. Cool. Okay, so that equals 8. Another 5. So 8 plus 5 is 13. You know what that means? By default, we only have 3 remaining, and we can only squeeze in the 3. So by default, this thing is going to be a 3-5-5-3 phrase. Okay, let's see what that sounds like. We have a 3. We have a 5. Another 5. And a 3. Okay, let's put them together, and what do we have? 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a... Let me just fool around with this a bit more. Nice. Let's try 1 bar time, 1 bar fill. Oops, try that again. 3. Lots and lots of fun. Try this out. You could do the same thing, grab some numbers, make up some different combinations. I mean, you don't have to do what I did. You can just, you know, come up with your own combinations, fiddle around with them, try them out, different tempos. And one point I want to mention is if, let's say, you select some numbers and there's only 2 spots remaining, because it will happen. What are you going to do? You can't put a 3, you can't put a 4, you can't put a 5. In that situation, when you only have 2 remaining, finish it off with a right-left. That's all you have to do, and that completes the whole bar. Well, that's all the time we have, folks, for today. If you enjoyed the video, a thumbs up would be greatly appreciated. Drop a comment. Love to hear from you. If you haven't already done so, subscribe. And we'll see you on the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.